Are you tired of playing the same old blues tunes on your guitar? Do you want to add a soulful and unique touch to your music? If so, then it's time to unlock the secret of alternate tunings. By experimenting with different tunings, you can discover a whole new world of sounds and expressiveness that will blow your mind. In this article, we will explore 5 alternate tunings that are perfect for creating soulful blues music. So grab your guitar and get ready for an exciting musical journey. Open D tuning. The powerhouse. Open D tuning is one of the most popular alternate tunings among blues guitarists. By tuning your guitar to D-A-D F-sharp A-D, you create a rich and powerful sound that is perfect for slide playing. The low bass strings provide a solid foundation while the open strings allow for easy slide movements. This tuning is commonly used by legendary blues players like Robert Johnson and Son House. Open G tuning. The Delta sound. If you're looking for that authentic Delta blues sound, then Open G tuning is what you need. By tuning your guitar to D-G-D-G-B-D, you create a bright and vibrant tone that captures the essence of early Mississippi Delta blues. This tuning allows for easy chord shapes with just one finger barring across all strings. Drop D tuning. The heavy groove. For those who want to add some heaviness and groove to their blues playing, Drop D tuning is an excellent choice. Simply tune your low E string down one whole step to D, while keeping the rest of the strings in standard tuning, E-A-D-G-B-E. This simple modification opens up new possibilities for power chords, riffs, and melodic lines. Open E tuning. The Slide Master. Open E tuning is a favorite among slide guitarists for its versatility and expressive potential. By tuning your guitar to E-B-E-G-sharp-B-E, you create a rich and resonant sound that is perfect for slide playing. The open strings provide a full and vibrant tone, while the high G-sharp string adds a touch of sweetness to your melodies. Dadgad tuning. The Celtic twist. If you're looking to add a unique twist to your blues music, then Dadgad tuning is worth exploring. This alternate tuning, D-A-D-G-A-D, originated in Celtic music but has found its way into various genres, including blues. It offers a rich and open sound with endless possibilities for creating beautiful chord voicings and melodic lines. Now that we've explored these 5 alternate tunings, let's discuss why they are so powerful and how they can benefit your blues playing. By experimenting with different tunings, you break free from the constraints of standard tuning and open up new avenues for creativity. Each alternate tuning has its own unique character and sonic qualities that can inspire fresh ideas in your playing. Whether you're looking for a deep Delta blues sound or want to explore slide guitar techniques, these tunings will take your playing to the next level. Here are 3 concrete takeaways from this article. Experimentation. Trying out alternate tunings allows you to discover new sounds and expand your musical horizons. Expressiveness. Alternate tunings offer different tonalities that can evoke specific emotions in your playing. Inspiration. Playing in alternate tunings can spark creativity by forcing you to approach familiar chords and scales from new angles. In conclusion, unlocking the secret of soulful blues lies within the realm of alternate tunings on the guitar. By exploring Open D tuning for power slides or Drop D tuning for heavy grooves, you'll infuse your blues playing with a fresh energy. Open G tuning captures the authentic Delta sound, while Open E tuning allows for masterful slide guitar techniques. Lastly, Dadgad tuning adds a Celtic twist to your blues. So grab your guitar and dive into these alternate tunings. You won't be disappointed.